Protect your phone screen with our premium tempered glass screen protectors. Follow these simple steps for a flawless installation. Step 1. Use the included screen wipe to thoroughly clean your phone's screen, removing any smudges or dust. Step 2. Take the dry cleaning cloth to gently dry the surface and ensure it's completely clean. Step 3. Use the provided dust remover sticker to pick up any remaining particles. Step 4. Carefully peel the film from the back of the tempered glass. Align the glass protector with your phone's screen. Gently press down in the center of the glass and let the adhesive spread naturally across the screen. Smooth out any remaining air bubbles using your fingers. This tempered glass not only provides crystal clear protection, but also features an oleophobic coating, ensuring water and fingerprints don't stick to the surface, keeping your screen smooth and clean. Enjoy maximum clarity, protection, and functionality for your iPhone with this easy-to-install tempered glass protector.